Well, it looks like they're on the 6-yard line, Bob, and Cawthon G is about to score if this Sunshine 4 Sativa squad can't hold that indica bad boy back. That's just the way I see it. You are correct, Jimmy. I think this is probably gonna be Indica's day. Such an important matchup because this will determine what John smokes tonight while he watches the game. Up there they go. The quarterback drops back. Oh, and he's making a run for it himself. But he's hit. Oh my gosh, he's hit. He might get through that line. He's pushing through that line. We'll see. He might be pushing through that line. Oh, Lord and Lord, it looks like Indica has scored the first touchdown of the night and determined what John will smoke tonight while watching the game. Congratulations, Indica. Congratulations, Indica. Sativa can't believe it. They just can't believe it. They're huddled. They've lost. They just can't believe it. They wanted to be smoked, but it's going to be Indica. Well, Bob, it looks like there has been an injury on the field, and the players are gathered around. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. One of the Sativa players was hit so hard he has turned to shake. He has literally turned to shake right here on the field. Then, we just don't like to see this. We do not like to see this in professional marijuana sports.
Never thought I'd have